So first you want to start off by drawing the outline of the beach hut onto a piece of sponge or some foam. And it is basically just a house shape. And I ended up having to draw mine out by hand, just using my pen and a ruler because my printer isn't working at the moment. But you can of course use a template if you want to, so I will link a template below in the description box. And also you can make yours whatever size you want, of course. And then I already went ahead and I cut out the shape, and then I just smoothed it off with my scissors. And this is quite simple to do because it's quite a simple shape. And also cut off some of the foam just using a craft knife since it was too thick at first. This is quite a simple shape to do. So you just want to make sure that it's as smooth as possible. And just make small snips with your scissors just to smooth it off. And make sure that the bottom part is as flat as possible so that way it can stand up. And now on to the next step. So next what I did was I painted the entire thing white. And you can of course do whatever colours you want for yours. So I want mine to be more of a traditional looking beach hut, so I'm going to be painting some stripes on it. So you can do whatever designs you want on yours. And you can look up images of beach huts for inspiration. So now I'm just going to continue painting this in, and I'll show you it when I... Next what I did was I painted the roof using my blue puffy paint, and then I used my blue puffy paint for the stripes, and I also painted on the door and also painted on the stripes on the sides of the squishy and also on the back as well. And then what I did was I just outlined the door using my black puffy paint and a very thin paintbrush, just so then it doesn't blend in too much with the blue stripes. And then I just painted on the details on the door, again just using a thin paintbrush. and I think it looks really cute. I really like how the blue looks. And again, you can do whatever design you want for yours. Just make it look however you want to. So now you just want to let it dry and then your squishy will be done. So here it is once it is all dry. And I really like how it turned out. I think it's really cute. And it is also quite slow rising as well. Or just a little bit. And I really like how the blue looks. I think this is more like a traditional looking beach hut. I just prefer those ones. But like I said before, you can do whatever design you want for yours, and you do not have to make it mini. You can make it as big or as small as you want. And just use whatever colours you want for yours. And I'm probably going to make more of these just because I think this is really cute, and it was also quite simple to make. So I'm probably going to make more in different sizes and colours. I'm not really sure yet. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know it was quite a short tutorial compared to my other ones, which are usually way too long, but I just felt like doing a more simple kind of tutorial. So yeah, I still hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!